다가간다면 넌 어떻게 생각할까? 용기 낼 수 없고 만약에 네가 간다면 네가 떠나간다면 널 어떻게 보내야 할지 자꾸 겁이 나는 걸 내가 바보 같아서 바라볼 수밖에만 없는 건 아마도 외면할지도 모른 네 맘과 또 그래서 더 멀어질 사이가 될까봐 정말 바보 같아서 사랑한다 하지 못하는 I've been falling in bad habits, staring into the abyss, drowning in red wine and sniffing cinnamon. We've been kissing on the playground, acting like little kids, making dirty jokes and getting away with it. So I propose, it's long overdue. When you go to hell, I'll go there with you too. And when we're punished for being so cruel, the silver linings, I'll be there with you.
Esa mujer me está matando, me ha espinado el corazón. Por más que trato de olvidarla, mi alma no da razón. Mi corazón aplastado, dolido y abandonado. A ver, tú sabes, dime mi amor, cuánto amor y qué dolor nos quedó. Ay, corazón espinado, cómo duele, me duele, mamá. Ay, cómo me duele el amor. Cómo duele el corazón.
I said I'm on my way, but I'm already outside. Girl, come and hop up in a big ride. Don't be messing up your eyeliner. For somebody who's a part-timer. Let's go have a little mood fighter. Trust me, it can make you feel lighter. Get the rhythm in your mind and make your body wine. Yeah, the rhythm that you high, you're dancing all night. Take it, oh baby. Get が逃げてゆく優しさの束縛が鈍